Hey guys, so today I have a different kind of video for you guys. First of all, happy 2018. I know it's like, what, March? And I haven't filmed a video yet, but I thought I'd go ahead and upload this video for you guys. So today of all days, we're going to be doing a bag unboxing. Yes, you heard that correctly, a bag unboxing. I've not actually done one of these in like, what, a year and a half? From Yogi's Closet or Yogi's Closet this time instead of Fashion File. That's where I ended up ordering it from. I've noticed recently, and I love Fashion File. You guys know I'm obsessed with them. I've owned numerous bags from that company. I've sold numerous bags from that company. But the thing is this time around, I noticed their bags were really priced high. And this one, even though I'll explain in a minute why this one was a little bit lower priced, it was still like a really good deal. This bag was originally $6,000 or more. I know they can range anywhere, but this is actually one of my favorite bags. Now the color is a little different. I'm not gonna lie, it's not a black, it's not a cream, it's not a tan, it's not a white. It is definitely a metallic color of some sort, so you're gonna have to wait for a second and see. This truck should be here about 1 or 2, so I will update you guys exactly when it comes and we will do an unboxing together. So I hope you guys are excited. Hey guys, so my bag just came and it's 3 o'clock almost, so they took forever to get here. At least it wouldn't be like in Huntsville where they take forever. I did change my shirt to my Jeffree Star shirt. Okay, so I'm kind of dying inside. It just came. It took 2 days. I paid extra for the shipping because, you know, I'm not about that waiting life. One thing I wish Yogi's Closet or Yogi's Closet would do is I wish they would have where you could get overnight shipping, but all they have is 2 days. So Fashion File has overnight shipping. Just saying. Just saying. It says Yogi's or Yogi's Closet and it has this bubble wrap over it. And then you can see the bag basically. It's in its dust bag. It is a Chanel. I don't know if I'm not really sure what I'm gonna put in the title, but it is a Chanel bag. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And then it comes with the little receipt and everything from Yogi's Closet. It's actually really warm because it's kind of warm outside. It says 30-day return policy. So in a protective bag, which I think is extremely smart because whether, you know, you never know. So this is the dust bag. You can kind of see the bag a little bit. I think this is not the original dust bag, but it's fine. So anyway, it says Chanel, so we're going to jump right in. It really is beautiful. So as I said, this bag is not everyone's cup of tea. The color may not be, but it is my cup of tea. God, she's gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous. Well, I would like to introduce to you guys my new baby. This is the Chanel Mademoiselle 227 double flap, jumbo double flap, I guess is what it's considered. It has a specific name. I'm just so nervous. Here, let me read off. Well, this one doesn't have it. But basically, if you're not familiar with Yogi's Closet or Fashion File, they do include one of these protective tags. Unless you are sure you want to keep your bag, make sure not to cut this off. It's calf skin, so it's not lamb skin. So, like, gorgeous. The color, as I said, is very different. So if you are not a big fan of the color, please don't comment down below. I don't want your rude comments. I really like the blue though. And then inside it has a back pocket, which is really not that stretched out actually. They did a good job. So this person, they do have another one on their website with the same exact color but for less. That one actually, I'll link it down below. That one actually has a little bit more wear. This one's in pretty much like new condition. So inside you do have the little secret love letter compartment in the back. Oh, somebody left something in there. Oh no, they must have included this for me. Okay, I was like, what? I'll open that up in a minute. I was like, somebody forgot something. They have a little compartment right here. And inside you can barely put anything, honestly. Oh. I have a bunch of Petco coupons and HEB coupons. That is hilarious, actually. Nothing really is in the back. So, other than that one thing. Inside you find the little CC, it's a double flap basically, so you do get the one flap and the second flap. It does have some protective paper inside, and inside the date code reads 12718815. I don't know date codes, but I do know that is authentic because it comes with everything originally, and it's from Yogi's Closet. Okay, so beautiful condition. I love the silver hardware. That was one of the things, and it's not a shiny silver, it's a matte silver, which I actually think really complements the bag. So I'm gonna put the bag over here for right now, and we'll see what's in this little new to you is as good as new. I don't know if Yogi's meant to send me that or not, but it's in there. It's in there, so I'm keeping it. It expires in 2015. I wonder how long this bag has been trying to be sold. Oh my god. A baggie. You do get a few goodies. Or I get a few goodies because it came with it. I got my authenticity card, the little booklet that originally came with, and another little booklet. So it did. I'm not going to open this just because in case I do want to sell it one day. I have a lifetime warranty with them, so they have the little authenticity like sheet. So if you ever have an issue, I don't think they've ever dealt with this, but if you ever have a bag and they swear it's authentic and you take it to an authentication place and they're wrong, they will actually give you your money back, which is really cool. Condition. I didn't think I loved this color as much. I love the matte hardware. It does say Chanel, which is really pretty. I love this bag. Ooh, baby, I'm so excited. I would have gone with a black, I would have gone with a tan, but let's be honest here, this bag was such a good deal and I love the color. Like, I didn't think I'd like this color, but with my shirt today, with a black shirt, with a tan shirt, with whatever color shirt, it's gonna be popping.